Curious about what unfolds behind the scenes of the beauty industry? Join me for an exclusive look into the daily life of a cosmetic formulator. Hi everyone, I'm Jan, owner of the Aroma Shoppe and creator of Pavéz and Salon Puréz. So welcome to the Aroma Shoppe, where each day is completely different from the next. So we have our private label company as well as having our own cosmetics. So we can suddenly get an order for just say 50 lipsticks or for a liter of cream for a company, or a huge order that involves thousands of products, which can then take up the next 6 weeks or more of our time. So in my store itself, I have 2 designated rooms for making products. One I call the mud room, which is a room that is just designated for making makeup, because making makeup is a pretty dirty product. It's black and red and I get colors everywhere. So I like to keep that contained within this mud room. And then we have another room where we make creams and lotion. So these has to be more like a laboratory type room. Now, when we have had huge orders in the past, the whole building becomes a cosmetic making company. So we'll have rooms that are designated, like one big order, for example, we had a room that was designated just for making shampoos and liquid body washes, and another room dedicated for making bar soap, and yet another for making creams and lotions. This allowed us then to be able to keep everything contained and also very organized as well. And that big order actually took us about 6 weeks to fulfill, and we needed a team of about 5 people to do so. So it's quite exciting. We can have various days. So for example, one day I might just have 50 lipsticks, and that will just take a few hours to fulfill. And then when we don't have any orders to do of private labeling, then we have to make products for our own companies, Pavéz and Salon Puréz. So one day I might find that the cake mascaras might be a little low in stock. So then I'll have a production day of just making cake mascaras. And then I'll have a production day of just making a particular cream, for example. So every day is different. It's definitely not boring. Now, when we started out, of course, we did small scale production. So here I am showing small scale production. And we still do this from time to time, but it's more to show people how it is done. And also if we are testing out new recipes or new colors, for example, for a lipstick. And what I do, I always have paper down on the countertop where I can write recipes as I go. And then I always write it into a ledger, and I have dozens of books filled with recipes, some that did work and some that didn't work. And I've kept all this information for over 20 odd years now. So it's important for me to write everything down by hand, and I keep making adjustments until I get the product that I achieve, the product that I want to get, either the color of the foundation or the type of cream, the texture, and all that. And then we have to bring it into a full-scale production. So this is where modern technology comes in. So we're combining modern technology with true and tried methods from the past. I do also love teaching. So I do have in-class lessons plus online lessons as well. So we teach people who just want to create products for themselves to people who actually want to go into production and create their own brands. So we have a lot of people from all over the world coming to learn how to make products as well. And especially I've been teaching children recently as well, which is a lot of fun. And finally, step into the Aroma Shoppe and behold the result of our dedication and passion. A diverse range of high quality, meticulously crafted cosmetics, from vibrant lipsticks to nourishing creams. Each product embodies our commitment to excellence. And I want to thank you for joining us on this journey behind the scenes of a cosmetic formulation. We're thrilled to share our craft with you, and we invite you to experience the beauty and sophistication of our products firsthand at the Aroma Shoppe. Thank you for watching.